Hey guys, Anthony. I don't know where to put this video. Is this touring or is this diesel or is it just gonna go? I think I just put it on Facebook somewhere. Hey guys, Anthony, Oz Hilux crew, how you going? Anyway, just recently installed a couple of USB power outlets. One there and one over there. Hidden behind, you know, down behind there, but whatever. Point is, just wanted to demonstrate. It's not that hard to take your time. So these are the wires coming down from this one. All right, it's got a fuse on it. Same as the other one's got the fuse on it coming behind there. So what I did, I brought the wires from that one over this way. I ran a wire from the other side there because I'm going to get power. I've got the UHF brain in behind there. I'm going to just take the power off that wire because these are not massive power draw or anything like that. This goes directly to the cranking battery. We haven't got an auxiliary battery yet. That's going to be happening soon. But none of this really uses that much power. It's going to flatten the battery. So, but I want permanent power here. So when I get out of the car on the tracks and stuff like that, that the phones or tablets or whatever it is keeps charging. Main thing I want to demonstrate is just take your time. Solder's best. So what we've done here, obviously this end's come in, that end's come in. These ones over here, we've twisted them together. Obviously all the blacks together and all the reds together. And then obviously the red to the reds and the black to the black, and just twist it all together. Put some heat shrink up the line first, up this end I think it was actually, up this way, and a big one up that way, which is what you can see here. And then once they're all soldered beautifully, it's not soldering lessons, I'm sure you can find that somewhere else. This thing needs a clean up though, doesn't it? Anyway, slid that down, heat shrink, you know, with a little gas torch, and put the big one over the top. Point is, it's not going to come undone. You could yank on that, plus then a few extra zip ties as well. That's how we roll. Now it's just to tuck it up under here out of the way, and a few more zip ties. That's what these are for. Anyway, just take your time, make sure your wiring's right. Pet hate is wiring hanging down above your feet, and a lot of people do it, and I don't know how they get around like that, but wiring hanging around your feet is not only my pet hate, but it's dangerous. You don't want that. And of course, wiring, just solder it up and insulate it properly and you won't have any issues. And even better if you've got some fuses in place, and we've got those here, and of course another one up the other end near the battery. Thanks for watching. Hope you got something better to do than me. I just want to get the job done and find something else to do. These have been in the car for, I don't know, about a month. It's like I haven't connected them up yet. Really handy to be able to just plug it in there instead of look for adapters and stuff like that. I think for years all cars probably should have come out with USB power outlets like that. Not one, not two, I mean heaps of them all over the vehicle. Anyway, hope you have a great day. Catch ya. Anyway, we're over the other side now to sort of show you this as well. That's the end of my wires that I've just cut and stripped off. And here's my power wire to the UHF, as you can see. And I'm just going to splice into those. Obviously I've removed the fuse in case they touch together. We're going to have fireworks, or just blow a fuse anyway. But very carefully I've cut those and stripped them off, so I haven't even lost one strand of wire. Twist those wires around there nice and neat, you know, red on the red and black on the black and all that. Solder it up nicely, insulate it nicely, plug the UHF back in, put the fuse back in, and then we've got power USBs all the time. Bloody beautiful. And here we go, job done. Look, no wires anywhere to be seen. 12.4, 12.3, so beware the voltmeters, they're around about right. Now what we should be able to do is unplug this, plug it into there or there. You can get into either one of them, make sure you plug it in the right way. I'm actually going to put this one in the bottom. Bottom's smart, right? Why? Because then you can still see the voltmeter. It's when you plug the one in the top that you won't be able to see it, and then that phone there should light up, say charging. Right, so that is going to test this battery, and if the battery goes flat, then happy days. The only reason that hole is there, just for me to stick while the UHF head unit goes through there. And I thought rather than have wires everywhere, I just stuck the phone charger wire through there. Anyway, whatever. Hope you liked it. Look at that. Beautiful.